Good afternoon, students. So, today is the first class for the second year, and my subject is financial management. The paper code is 2.7. Financial management is the unit is divided into 5 units. Financial management. In the unit 1, we have to discuss about the introduction, the role of financial management, the scope, the importance of the financial management. Unit 2, we have to discuss about the capital budgeting. Unit 3, it will discuss about the capital structure. Unit 4, we will discuss about the what happens, that is working capital. And Unit 5, it is the problems, the solution, the problem and solutions. My dear students, before we are going to the financial management, let us know about today what we are going to start the class, or what we are going to, that is our topics. First of all, that is today I will discuss about the introductions. Next, definition, the meaning and definition of finance, Third, that is financial management. And fourth, that is the scope of financial management. So, my dear students, let us discuss about what is the finance. We know that the business may be of different, the business either may be small or size or any type of business that require the finance to start its operations, to start its functions. Generally, the business activities is related to the finance. All the financial requirements is related to the business. So, without finance, the business cannot run. As we know that the blood, which is very important for our life, similarly, that is the lifeblood of the business is the finance. The lifeblood of the what? Lifeblood of the business. It is very, very essential, because as the blood is very, very important to us to survive. Similarly, the finance is also very, very important for the growth, for to survive of the business organizations. We can say that is, it is very, very important. That is what happened when we will say that is why we need finance. Because as a small child required to grow, then nutrients, the foods. Similarly, the business also requires the fund, that is the money. I mean to say what happened, that is in this topic we can discuss about, that is the finance. What is the business finance? It is the what happened, we can say that is the, I mean to say procurement of the business, that is money, and to use in the various ways. All these things is the needed things. And another, the business is not doing the what? Non-economic activities. The business is doing the economic activities. The business is doing, or business is running with economic activities. economic activities? You might have know that is different subjects, different faculties they have described about many things about that is. So when you are commerce student, we know about the better about the economic activities and the non-economic activities. Again I am repeating that is, what is the economic activities? The activities which runs with the her earning profit. The activities which deals with the money. Okay, and that is the economic activities, and all the business works are related to earn the profit. All the business activities are done with the aim to maximize the profit, to earn the profit, and with the profit only it is survive and the business can run forward. So let us be clear about it. What is the economic activities and what is the non-economic activities? Suppose, let an example. Suppose a singer is singing in a function or in a marriage ceremony and is getting some remuneration or getting some money for that function, then we can say that is what happened? He is performing the economic activities. If the singer is singing for his son, for his son's birthday, then the singer is not earning a single paisa, single money. It is only for his own love and affection, that is for the son. So that is what we can say. That is, we can say, conclude that all the business, that is, it is deals or the running with the economic activities. Okay. So the economic activity, only economic activities leads to the profit earning. The profit earning means what happened? No business they are doing, the businessmen they are doing, that is the social services. Whatever may be, they are doing the what? That is the for the profit. So without the having the mind in the profit, a business cannot sustain or business cannot run. So many different studies, so many experts, they have said that is the finance. The finance is a what? It is deals with the capital, the fund or amount or the money. This is the concept of related to the finance. Capital means the business requires, that is fixed capital and the working capital. Later in the ahead we will discuss about many more things. So finance, it is art and science of making, that is the managing the money. It is described by the whom? By the, that is what? That is Khan and the Jain. What? The Khan and Jain. They describe, that is for them. It is what? That is finance. Finance is an art, and science of managing one. Okay. So what is this art? भाई ये फाइनेंस एक कला है, बिजनेस की एक कला है, एक one type of it is a creative to earn, how to make the sources of, that is finance towards the business. And we are using the many techniques how to control the use of the finance in the business. So we can't say, we can also, that is they agree to say that is whatever, it is not an art or it is a science. It is both. We cannot say. We have to that is agree with this statement, that is what happened. Finance is an art as well as the science. Okay. So afterwards, we have to also describe about the so many, that is definitions of the business. Business finance. Finance related to the business finance, because related unit. Let us come business finance, that is procurement of finance plus effective management. Effective management. Without so many experts, they also said that is the unless that is we are not getting any amount, we cannot do the business. After getting the finance from different sources, we have to know how to manage this finance. We have to use in the different sources, different methods, so that the output is our profit. So, Wheeler is also defined that is a whatever business activity is real, that is it is depend upon the concern with the acquisition of the what? That is the money. Along with the acquisition, we have to find that is how it is used. So many, that is they are related to this what happened, how the finance is related. So corporate business finance is also termed as the corporate finance. Business finance is also related to the corporate finance. It is the same term. Somebody says it is business finance. Some person is also saying that it is a corporate finance. Because the finance forecasting, capital budgeting, there are various methods, techniques, all these things are really utilizing here. So it is the very, very important aspect in our business concerns. So we can't deny these things, that without business, without finance, the business can sustain. In this corporate finance, that is, we can say that is the capital budgeting, we can say that is the financial forecasting, we can say that is the cash management, we can say that is the credit administration, we can say that is the inventory management. All are very, very essentials. All are very, very essentials for the running of the business or the carry out the transactions of the business. You cannot deny. So my dear students, so for these two things, the financial management is very, very important. Financial management is carrying, that is what about financial services. Financial services along with, that is the financial institutions. Financial, that is purpose runs with the financial needs. All the things what we mean say, that is what happened. That is, it is clearly we can say that is what happened. All the things, that is the inventory management. Last the way discuss many things or the things. Let us discuss about the type of the finance. Type of the finance. Type of the finance is categorized into private finance and the public finance. The same thing which, that is, it is, we can say that is what happened, the individual finance, company finance, okay, as well as also that is what happened, institutional finance. But public, it is the same thing. Here it is divided into what? That is central government finance, central government, state government, and semi-government. So here it is what happened. The typically we can say that is the what happened, the type of finance. It is broadly divided into two. That private finance, which is associated with the banks, private banks. It is associated with the own finance. It is associated with the individual finance. It is associated with the company finance. And company also requiring so many resources to get the finance to that of the business. There are also institutions or that is the business finance. It is also the business finance. So these are all the things what happen that is related to the private finance. But in case of the public finance, that is central government, they are also the financing or they are giving the finance. Then the state government is also there and semi-government. Later in the part of the topic, when you go ahead, there is some specific chapter about the process of the finance, how the business can acquire the money to run the organizations. That is also different topic. So my dear students, what happened here? What we have to learn from these two things, that is what happened, that is financial management is symbolized procurement of money plus effective use of money. Here, the financial procurement, or that is the how we can get the money, as well as how we use this money. That is the very, very important, because unnecessarily the things, it cannot be kept. Always you cannot waste the money, because the money already I have said that is the money is very, very important, and money is the lifeblood of the business organization. So for it is concerned with the efficient use of the important economic resources, what that is the Wheeler have described, and to use that, because the resources whatever we have, or that whatever we are getting, that must be utilized properly. That is the business management, the financial management. Requiring the financial, because getting the money and effective use of the money, there are the two separate things. There are two separate columns where you have to use these things. So there are so many techniques, there are so many techniques, there are so many tools are there which depends or which relates to the use of the what happened, that is financial management. So let us discuss about that is the scope. In the scope of financial management, we have to discuss about that is financial management and economics. Financial management mathematics. Financial management and marketing. Financial management and accounting. Financial management and human resource management or department. So in this category, we have to first of all let us discuss what is the scope, because the financial management is an overall and integral part of the management, business management. Integral part, main part. Finance is related, the financial management, it's depend upon the role of the financial manager. And the financial management is associated with every department of the business organizations. One thing we can say, the financial management is related to the marketing, the financial it is related to that of the accounting, financial management is related to that of the economics, financial also management is related to that of human resource development. So let us discuss about another, we can say, that is the financial management is also related to that of the financial management and production. It is also related to the production management. It is also related to the production management. And how it is economic? Because first we know that is the business is doing or concerned with the economic activities. So financial management is also related to the macro, micro and many more things that is about the business in order is interrelated to each other to perform the economic activities. Without economics or without the both are simultaneously they are related to each other. No one can stay, there is no one can that is away from each other. They have to follow, they have to interrelated. Because the business is also running in the economic activities and the finance is also guiding to these activities in order to earn the more and more profits. Okay. So another, if you say about that is the word econometric. Econometric, it is the very important. What happened in the case of the mathematics? Because mathematics is related to the various tools, various formulas, various applications, and that is used in the financial management in order to control the finance. And for this purpose, it is also very important. Because in the capital budgeting, in the so many, that is dividend theory, this one, that is so many investment theories, and so many theories, so many approaches are there in order that is to use in the financial management, and that is related to the what happened, how there is the very essential to that of the interrelated, the both the aspect of the financial management and the mathematics. And financial management is also related to the marketing. Because how no one can work without money. Even that is the marketing, after finishing the goods, after when the goods are delivered to them, that comes to the market, they need to be sold. For the various purposes, the finance is required. The finance is required for advertising, promotion of the goods. And that is what happened? It is helped by the what happened the financial management. In what way? That is, it is to be make efficient marketing so that the income or that the cash will flow to that of the organization in order to what? Run the business and to for the growth of the survival of the business. So marketing is very, very important. It is related to that of the financial management because both are interrelated department, and that is interrelated department, or we can say that is both are focusing the same thing toward the profit earning. And another accounting, without noting, without making any proof, we cannot sustain to the finance to the business. These are just like two parallel roads, the two sides of the road. They are moving simultaneously. If the finance is coming, there is treated in the accounting. If the finance is going out, that is also treated in the accounting. Accounting is a method. That is where we can have the proof, the inflow and the outflow of the finance of the organizations. So we can say that is the financial, the manager of the finance department or the financial manager has know the accounting concept in order to make the efficient use of the financial or the finance, or to make use the more and more proper way, in the efficient way, in order to maintain the finance at any level. And another, it is also related to the human resource department, because after all manpower is very, very important. Without manpower, no business can run, no business can sustain. Manpower is required in every aspect, in every corner, in every department of the business. Their wages, their salaries, their remunerations, all the things. It is done with the one man, that is the financial people, or the financial, that is the financial management. It is related to the financial management. The financial manager have playing an adequate role in maintaining, that is, or having the good relationship with the people of the, that is the human resource department. Because the human resource department is such a department in the organization. They have to acquire the right people, and they have to deposit the right people into the right job. That is also one important aspect in the that is the organizations. Because no one wants to use the money in unnecessary. They have to save the money. They have to place the right amount, that is pay the right people to the right job, so that unnecessary wastage of money can be reduced. And another, that is what production management is also highly related to that of the financial management, because business cannot run with the productions of any goods and services, whatever may be there. Because in the production department, that is the raw material is converted into finished goods. And how it is? If the production management or the production department would not related to that of the financial management, there is a very difficult to get the raw materials, and there is very difficult to convert the process, to convert the raw material into the finished goods. So it is very, very essential. What happened? There is a vast and wide, that is the scope of the financial management, and it is very, very important to finance manager to have a knowledge of each and every aspect, so that they have to maintain all the relationships, all that is the wide scope. So my dear students, in the next class we'll discuss about the importance and objectives of the finance management and management. Have a good day.